Okay everyone, so here is another quick tip in Photoshop, and it is painting a selection with quick selection. So if you come into your layers and if you come over to here, you're going to see your quick selection box right here. If you double press that there, you can see that the quick mask options, to make sure that it's on selected areas, you can choose whatever color that you want here, and I normally have it on about 50% opacity. So you hit OK on that. Again, make sure you're on your paintbrush, and then you just start to paint the area that you want to do like that there. Once you're happy with your selection, you just hit the letter Q on your keyboard and that will give you your selection. Now, if you don't want to have to come over here to double press on here and you're quite happy with the colour that you have and the percentage of the opacity, then you just hit, make sure you're on your paintbrush and you hit the letter Q on your keyboard, and that will take you straight into that quick selection there. So again, if you just paint over the area, it's really good for doing big areas that you just want to blend into each other, if that's what you want to do. So just like that there. Once you're happy with that, hit the letter Q and it'll give you your selection. And from there, you could bring up your levels right here, and then you could adjust your colours. Say you're going to adjust that blue sky, choose the blue, and then again, you can decide if you want to take out the blue, maybe put a little bit more green in there to start to blend in with the grass. So again, I hope that helps you with a quick tip in Photoshop, and I'll catch you on the next one.